Hi guys, you welcome back to the channel. So guys, today's video we are gonna be stitching a beautiful senator front pocket for the clothes. You understand? For the flow, for the clothes front pocket. So without wasting my time, let's get it done. So right now, this fabric right here is a rate of 4 and almost half. You understand? Let's see, 4 and quarter, and the length is also 5 inches. You understand? So this right here is folded. We have folded it this side. You understand? Just like we have fold this and we have fold that part too. So to make it I think quarter inch, understand, to make it a quarter inch, understand, to make it a quarter inch. So we have fold it side by side, you understand. So what we are gonna do right now is to stitch from the top to the down. It's to first we have to measure the middle. We just have to measure the middle, you understand. If it's 4.5 inches, we just have to measure the middle to make it 2 and quarter, understand, 2 and quarter, to make it 2 and quarter right here. So we are measuring the middle, you understand. This is where the middle is gonna come. So if you want to sign it, we just mark it like this. We just mark it like this, and to put it on it like this. So we are going to use black thread to seal this one on the top, you understand. So the down is going to be that orange, you understand what I'm talking about. So we are going to make it like this. We are going to make it this way, you understand. We are going to make it this way. So let's get it done. So guys, we're just going to take it like this to stitch on the middle. Just going to make it like this and to stitch it on the middle. So we are stitching it. So we are stitching it to the down parts. So we have first stitched the first part, left with the other one. So we are going to be stitching the other part too. So let's get it done. So we use the black thread to stitch on the top, and the gold to stitch on the down parts. So this is exactly how to stitch the first and second parts. So guys, this is exactly how to stitch this first part. So we are gonna fold this one onto it like this, we are gonna iron this part, and also we are going to be folding this stiff into two. We are going to fold this stiff into two. We want 3.5, so we just fold it into two like this. We're just gonna get 1.5 and quarter. Just gonna mark 1.5 and what, quarter, 1.5 and quarter right here. We're just gonna mark 1.5 and quarter. So the down part to the length is gonna be 4.25. The length is gonna be 4.25. So let's cut it. Let's get the shape right. So we cut it the way we want to cut it. So this is how to make to cut the shape, or to draw the shape. So let's cut it. So we are cutting it. So watch it carefully so that you're able to know how to do yours too. Very simple, and to get the right pocket done, you understand. So this is how to cut it. So this is exactly how to cut it. So we are just gonna fold this this inside and to put the stiff on it like this, and to put the stiff on it like this, and to iron it, and to what iron it. So let's do it. So guys, after ironing it, this is how it's gonna be looking. We are gonna put the stiff inside this one, you understand, on it like this, and to fold this part inside like this, so that the black and the good to come and lie down on the wall, the stiff like this, you understand. So this is how it's just gonna be, you understand. So what we are gonna do now is to what cut this part, the part that I'm marking with the pen, you understand. We are gonna cut it, or if you look it, if I'm cutting there, you know how I cut it, you understand. You know exactly how I cutted it, so that you also do yours too, you understand. So let's cut it. So let's get it done right now. So we are cutting it, guys. So we are cutting it, so you also know how to what cut yours, you understand. So let's cut it. So let's cut it. So let's cut it. So guys, this is how we are going to be cutting it, you understand. We are going to be cutting to make it this way, you understand, to make it this way, you understand. So what we are going to do next is to what, get this one. So we have cutted this slantly, you understand. I think it's is 2.5. We're just gonna make it 2 inches. We are just gonna make it 2 inches, but the length is gonna be the same, you understand. You're just gonna cut it slide. The length is 11.5, but we are gonna be what, cutting it this way, you understand. Let's cut some inches from it, so that it's gonna be making what exactly what we want to use. It's gonna make exactly what we want to use for the sewing, you understand. So guys, after making it this way, we're just gonna fold this inside, you understand, onto this one, you understand, onto this one. So we are gonna stitch a 1/2 inches, you understand. We are gonna stitch a 1/2 inches right here, you understand, a 1/2 inches right here. We are going to stitch a 1/2 inches. So let's get it done, so that we get to finish it. So guys, we are stitching it from the 1/2 inches to you just watch how I'm stitching it, so that you will able to know how to do it too, you understand. So let's stitch it from the top to the end, you understand. So watch it carefully, so that you will able to know how to stitch yours too. So let's get it done right now. So let's get it done right now. So we are stitching it. So we are stitching it. So guys, we are stitching it. So we are stitching it. So guys, we are stitching it. So guys, we are stitching it. So we are gonna fold this one this part too inside like this, and to what, stitch to the what, where we stitch the other part, just like we stitch the other part. So we have what, we have stitched it, you understand. We have stitched it, you understand. I think this has been more, so we just have to what, cut it to make it smaller. Just have to cut it to make it. So guys, we are gonna fold it like this, or we are gonna open it like this. We are just going to open it like this, you understand. You're just gonna open it like this. The material is looking somehow, but we are gonna do it. Still, we are gonna do it. We are gonna be able to do it. So guys, we are just gonna open it like this. We are just going to be opening it like this. We are just gonna open it like this. So guys, if we open it like this, you understand, if we open it like this, we are just gonna what, iron it to make it straight. We are just gonna iron the back part to make it look straight. Let me iron it so that you see what I'm talking about. Okay, so guys, after making it this way, we are just gonna make it like this. We are just gonna fold it like this, you understand, fold it like this, and to pick a needle, yeah, and a thread. We have insert the thread inside the needle. So we are just gonna be making it this way to what, stitch it overall, you understand. So watch how I'm doing it, you understand. Watch how I put it inside, understand. So we have what, we are making it the way we want we are making it the way we want the pocket to be looking, you understand, the pocket to be looking. So after stitching it on the material or the fabric that we are using for the cloth, we are just gonna remove the thread like this, you understand. You're just gonna remove it, you understand. Just gonna remove the thread back. You're not gonna let it stay, you understand. You're not gonna let it stay, you understand. So watch how I'm doing it. I just put it on the back like this to make it the way we want it, you understand. Just to make it the way we want it to be, you understand. Just to make it the way we want it to be, you understand. So we are doing it. So guys, we are doing this to the top part. So guys, we are doing it to what, to the top part. We are doing this to the what, the top part. So we are on it. So guys, we will pause the video so that we finish it and come and show you. So we will do it all over this to make it to come to the top part right here. So let's do it offline. So you follow these first steps to do yours too. So guys, this is exactly how we are going to be making it. So we are gonna cut it, you understand. This is exactly how we are going to be make it, you understand. So this is the back part. So we are going to iron it and to put it on the fabric that we are going to sew it on it, understand. So let's iron it. So guys, this is exactly how we stitch this front pocket. So if you put it on the fabric like this, we are going to see it from the top side here to this part, you understand. So if you put your hands inside, it's going to be pocket. So this is how to make this kind of pocket, you understand. This is a front pocket for senator clothes, you understand. So this is how to stitch it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, subscribe to all Maxstar channel. Thank you. God bless you.